Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete your search history on your Instagram app. Whether it's someone leaning over your shoulder while you search them up on Instagram, or someone borrowing your phone to enter their Instagram handle, those Instagram search that appears in the search bar are almost always embarrassing. However, there is a way to clear that search history. Once you clear the search history, you'll not be able to retrieve it back. So on your phone, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings, then tap on security, then tap on clear search history. Now on the next screen, you'll be shown what you have searched within your Instagram app. Now to clear a single search history, you can tap on the X next to what you have tried to search. If you want to clear all the search history, then tap on clear all at the top right, which I will do now. As you can see, all of the search history will clear and it will now be blank. If you go into your search tab, you'll not see any of your previous searches. And there you go, that is how to delete your search history on your Instagram app. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.